we mean by the Go Anywhere, Do Anything Canopy? We mean a 3-minute setup. Solo. We mean an ultra-portable shade canopy that fits in a backpack that's less than half the weight of metal canopies. We mean a truly portable experience. Meet Aeri, an inflatable canopy that sets up in just 3 minutes. Aeri blocks 98% of UVA and UVB rays, has a zippable sidewall, and is water resistant. The aerodynamic shape and ground stakes even helps shelter you in windy conditions. Aeri is lightweight, packs quick, and is effective against the elements. Everywhere. Where will you go? With Aeri, the Go Anywhere, Do Anything Canopy.